इफ़ यू आर समवन जिसको बहुत एंग्जाइटी होती है और जिसको वर्क स्ट्रेस बहुत इजीली हो जाता है, एंड ऑल्सो जिसको ऐसा लगता है कि आई हैव टू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ थिंग्स, देन गाइज दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर यू. I was just reading this quote which says, nothing changes if nothing changes. मतलब अगर आप इस चीज़ को बहुत गौर से समझोगे तो बहुत डीप चीज़ है, पर वैसे तो ऊपर से सुनने में कुछ समझ नहीं आएगी. नथिंग चेंजेस इफ नथिंग चेंजेस. एंड I think I took that by heart. Honestly, guys, this season of my life is called Renaissance period. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to my cozy corner of the internet. My name is Anshu, and if you're someone who loves being your best self, who loves positivity and lifestyle in general, then my channel is all about it. Do subscribe to my channel. So, in this video, we will be talking about my winter nighttime routine and how it has done wonders to my skin. Honestly, it has not only helped my sleep cycle, my hormonal lochas, my mental health, and overall just vibe. It is something that every girl should have, considering winters are all about being dark and all those gloomy days. There is some ray of positivity that we can bring in our lives, and that is winter nighttime routine. So let's dive into it and I'll talk more about it. So, guys, being a girl is not easy. You go through so much hormonal changes, and in order to take care of that, मतलब हम हर टाइम हसल 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 नहीं कर सकते. See, I'm not saying कि girls किसी से कम होती हैं, but you also have to see that girls also go through a lot internally. So in order to keep everything at pace internally, you have to take care of your environment, of your external activities, and that is exactly why such routines were designed and such routines came into being. These are some small effort routines or exercises that you have to follow in order to keep yourself at peace. Okay, back when I was in college, I learned about cognitive behavioral theory for insomniacs. What does that mean? That means that having a nighttime routine gives signals to your mind that you have to wind up and transition into restful sleep. So उसकी वजह से you will get less stress, and like your mind is totally prepared for what is about to come. And what happens is, जब विंटर स्टार्ट हो जाती हैं तो हमारे दिन छोटे हो जाते हैं और रातें बड़ी हो जाती हैं, और ये हमारा जो रूटीन होता है वो पूरा डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. सो स्पेसिफिकली यू हैव टू हैव अ गुड नाइट टाइम रूटीन, ताकि आप अपने माइंड को बताओ कि अब टाइम हुआ है. जो वो पहले फॉलो करा था वो नहीं है, अब ये न्यू रूटीन आपको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा फॉर द नेक्स्ट 6 months. Now let's dive into my nighttime routine. So right after coming from office, I go directly to my gym. अब जिम जाके I do various exercises. Sometimes I do weightlifting, sometimes I go for Bollywood dance class or Zumba class. Now that we have exercised, this is the time to wind up. I take out my lenses, then I let my hair loose for a while so that air can go into my scalp and dry the sweat. थोड़ी देर होते ही I wind up my hair and create a bun to take a shower. So I've been taking my night showers quite seriously, and I have been occasionally scrubbing my skin with just basin. All you need is just basin. So once my hot bucket is ready, I dive into shower, and this is everything that I use in my shower. And if you notice carefully, these are all basic things that you might need in shower. Since there is nothing to rush, we are going to be having lots and lots of fun in our night baths. Now this is the time that I actually pamper myself. All you have to do is start off by applying a moisturizer, because winters may you need to protect your skin. Then I like to apply vitamin C on my skin. Tap tap tap, because your skin needs that circulation. You need to let that blood flow. All of this I've learned it on the internet, some from my mummy. Keeping it super simple, I like to apply Vaseline on my lips, now that in a good generous amount, and little bit under my eye too. Last but not the least, I like to apply this body oil from Plum on my hands, elbows, and yep, we're good to go now. Oh, sorry, I forgot that I also have been recently applying this Wish Care serum. And this is not sponsored. I have been experiencing a lot of hair fall lately, and I discovered this from other influencers, and I thought of trying it. After all that pampering, your body is all prepared to sleep and dream peacefully. Now, there is this one winter hack that I like to apply, which is apply a lot of Nivea on my feet and then wear a good thick socks, which makes your feet super soft and beautiful. And now we will be having our dinner, which is papaya. Lastly, I like to apply more gloss on my lips. You know what? मेरे ऑफिस के फ्रेंड्स, मेरी बहन सब मुझे बोलते थे कि यू जस्ट स्टार्ट वर्किंग आउट एंड देन यू विल सी द डिफरेंस, यू विल सी द डिफरेंस, and they used to constantly talk about working out and how positive it makes them. So I thought, okay, let's give it a try. And guys, I cannot even stress कि मैं जब उठती हूँ आई फील सो मच एनर्जाइज्ड एंड आई फील सो मच सेंटर्ड. मैं शुरू से देखती आई हूँ कि काफ़ी गर्ल्स को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मतलब बचपन से देखती आई थी कि गर्ल्स लव taking care of themselves and following a winter routine, summer routine, this routine, that routine. But I was like कि okay ठीक है, मतलब they're just doing it for their influencer thing or whatsoever. But honestly, this has been a game changer for me. I feel so much organized because मुझे ऐसा लगता है सब कुछ sorted है. There is nothing that can bother me. With that, I hope this was helpful for you, and especially if you struggle with sleeping or have any of those issues. Now, if you're someone who already has a nighttime routine, guys, please drop in some more ideas. I would love to add in some more, steps to my nighttime routine. I love it. So, अगर आपके कोई है, please drop in. I'll see you in next video. Bye.